This is the Prosharp blade instruments kit. It has in it a skate blade angle tester, otherwise known as a bat tester, blade angle. Then it has a profile checker. It also has a handy hollow and thickness checker. So this measures the thickness of the blades in millimeters. Here's a black edge blade. You can put this in here. There's 3, 2.9, 3 millimeters, 3.1, so that's closer to 3. And on my older AS 2001 machine, you set the blade thickness. So this is an indicator where you can measure the thickness. Here's a figure skate blade, which is a Majestic by John Wilson. That should be closer to 4 millimeters. There's 4.2, 4.1, 4.0, 3.9. 3.9 it is there. And then this is the radius of hollow in millimeters and fractions. There's a 1/16 of an inch, 5/8. So you can put this inside here and measure. This is probably closer to 7/16. So you'll look to see where that matches through here. Match it up with the gap. Looks like that's about a half, 13 millimeters. You can buy, I believe, some of this stuff separately. This is the blade angle tester. So when you've got it on a pair of skates, here's a pair of Mission Bettys. You can put blade angle tester on like this, and you can read. Got to put it on right, like this, to see. Make sure it's not rubbing on this. See, it's just off a little bit on this cut here. So this is sitting on the left and right edges with the rare earth magnet, and then this is gripping on the side. Now, this is only going to work on a blade that this is parallel, which pretty much all hockey blades are. If you use it with the figure skate, this Majestic blade is like that. Goes on here like this. If you have a hollow ground figure skate that's concave, this is not going to read right. It doesn't matter what brand, that's just because it's not parallel. So just be aware when you use an indicator like this, the limitations. And then on the radius of hollow profile checker here, this is the profile checker, excuse me. You can put this on here like this and see that is about a 9-foot profile right there. So it's got pins. This measures over a large distance, so it's pretty accurate, but it's not going to be to where there's around 8. It's going to do the average over this, so you can use this to measure over a broad range like on this. If this is going to be tilted down, you need one with a smaller pin size, but that's difficult to do, so this actually works really well to get in here like this and measure the radius of curvature. About 8, 8.5 there. It's about 9. This all comes in a little kit. This is a knob you can use in here to lock this down. And this is again the hollow and thickness checker. And this looks like it is kind of etched in there, which is good. I don't think that's just printed on. It looks like it's slightly etched on there. Sometimes you get one that'll tend to wear away. And it's been cross ground here on the side, so this tends to get down in the groove real well. This is good, any good indicator on any machine to go through and make sure you have a blade on a tabletop machine or whatever. You're doing a bunch of skates. This is a sanity check to say, okay, yeah, it's a 3mm blade. I don't have to check the Z height. This all comes in a little kit by Prosharp.